Today in Tech Talk 101 SD. How you can install Windows operating system without any pen drive, CD, or DVD. Now, this is useful when you are having some issue with your system or it's not booting properly. Now before going ahead you need a Windows ISO file or setup file in your drive. The installation file should not be on your C drive, as the new installation would be on C drive itself. So first, if you have an ISO file, extract it. Now restart your PC, but while clicking on restart press Shift and then click restart. When PC will restart, it will go to the advanced startup option. It will ask you to choose an option, so choose troubleshoot. Then in troubleshoot advanced option. Now in advanced option command prompt. Command prompt will open, type in there notepad.x and press enter. Notepad will open, click on file then open. Go to the drive where the setup file is. Double-click on setup and the installation process will begin. Now install as normally you do. But remember, if you do custom installation, don't format the drive where the setup file is situated. And comment me any question you have. Consider subscribing to my channel for more tech videos or news like this.